Back here talking turbos with Dustin Hart, and if there is a single visual piece of a turbo that makes a turbo, it is of course the turbine housing. This is what everybody looks at, you know, it's the cool shape, it's all of it, but it's a whole lot more than that. I mean, when we talk about things like wheels, they're moving, they're spinning, this is not doing anything other than directing air, but it's critical to the success of a turbocharger.
Yeah, so the biggest thing with the exhaust housing side is obviously number one, the AR ratio. So for every frame size turbocharger we have 2, 3, if not 4 options of different AR ratios, which is the inner volute of the exhaust housing. So the one you're currently holding is a new stainless for the Pro Mod turbocharger stuff. That's kind of been a new venture for us. All of our stuff prior was cast iron, and now we started going to the stainless for lighter weight and more strength for burst containment. And so it's something new that we started in 2020, and we look for it to be a big deal in 2021.
So what are some of the factors, as we see there's a couple of housings here in this CNC machine, what are the things that make a good housing a good housing?
You know, it comes down to just quality control of it, you know, tolerances and all that stuff, the process. So the biggest thing is you know, we like to hold the bores of them, so your clearance to your turbine wheel to the inside of the exhaust housing, you know, we like that to be within 1,000 or 2,000. So that's kind of a big deal for operations of the turbochargers and how they flow.
And again, these are designed here, machined here, and when you prototype turbochargers, because again, so well known and so successful in the diesel world, the high performance diesel world and pulling world, now into the drag racing world, you've done kind of rapid style prototyping to get your kind of feet wet and get things off the ground to come up with these designs.
Yeah, so before, when they go through a process like this on our production housings, we have to have tooling made, and then, you know, we got to do sample batches and then production batches. So a lot of that takes a lot of time, can take up to 3 to 4 months. So for us to get fast results, we went in the process of machining 2 billet halves and actually welding them together, and so we can go out and test the product. And we've been able to have a lot better product and faster results from that.
And we've seen great results out of these turbochargers in the drag racing world already. Jeff Rudolph's car has been running incredibly strong. You're working on a program for turbochargers for classes like X275 along with Pro Modified. The No Prep guys love your stuff. It is all over the Street Outlaws world, and it really goes back to the hard work and engineering you put into the product.
Yeah, so you know, that's been the exciting thing, you know, getting into something new as far as the drag racing thing. We've always been around the diesel stuff, and a lot of people are getting excited, so it makes me even more excited to watch them guys get excited about it. So
listen, you pulling guys may not understand this, but he also loves 2JZs, so keep your eyes peeled on some stuff that may be coming in that direction too. Dustin, thanks so much for talking about housings with us. Again, incredible operation, made here right in the USA. Harts turbochargers are becoming an ever-growing force in the world of drag racing. Check them out online. Quality stuff.